This is Reid and Matthew, Project 3. We're going to start by clearing all the variables, initializing the Arduino and everything. We're going to recognize that the previous block state equals the block state, which is going to help us every single time this cycles through to establish that a block has either just passed or is not passed, or there is no block. Then we're going to detect whether or not there's a block. If there is, we're going to see if it entered the sensor by detecting the comparing block state to previous block state. If it did just enter, we're going to start a timer, set the previous block state, keep reading the sensor. Finally, if the object leaves and if it just left, then we're going to stop the timer, and that's going to tell us whether or not, by comparing the converted lengths of each block, that's going to allow us to determine if it's a large block or not. If it is a large block, the deflector is going to move it using the D9 pin command that we put in. We're going to increase the large count, display the large count. Now if the block isn't large, so it's small, has a smaller length, display this, add to the small count, display the small count. And now we end up here. If either large or small count are greater than 5, we wait until the final block moves past, and then we stop the conveyor. Now, I would say the most difficult part to get running was using the conversion factor, using the tick and tock portions to start the timer and to stop the timer, given that the block just left or just entered the view, or the view of the IR sensor, disrupting the voltage across A0. Now let's go to the demonstration here. So we have stuff here. Let's turn on the conveyor. Running the program. Small block. Goes through. So I think my IR sensor fell a little bit. Okay, that's better. Alright, here we go. Here's the block, adds the small count. And then we have a large block come through. Detects that it's a large block, pushes it over. Adds to the large block count. And now we put more of these on. We keep putting it on to increase the count. Let's just put a bunch of them on.
But the service still.
What'd you say?
Good.
Just keep putting.
Just put one of these on there, and that's it. And then we're good.
No, because we need to show that it stops.
It stops when.
That it stops when we hit 5.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna keep putting these in. And it'll display 5 eventually. The IR sensor keeps moving down. So that's the 4th small block, and this is the 5th small block. Gosh, the IR sensor again, dude. I have to keep moving it down so that I can actually get the view of the thing. 5 small blocks. There stops.